Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a healthy grocery haul and show you all the different things that I got.
Be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough.
So I just thought it would be fun to film this video for you as I just got back from the grocery store. And this is my first time going to the grocery store since like This is the first time going to the grocery store where everything is like so crazy expensive. So I forgot. I don't know where I put the receipt, but everything was like so much more than I thought it was gonna be. And we basically just got vegetables. Like we didn't even get meat or dairy. So I honestly, like, it's so crazy how expensive things are. Anyway, so I just thought I would show you exactly what I got and then what I plan to do with all of them. And then maybe I'll do like a little meal prep session of the video. So my goal for this week, I planned on my iPad before I went to the grocery store to make some meals and snacks and stuff that were healthy. So I wanted to, you know, set myself up for success. Okay, let's get started. So I got 2 things of Rice Krispie rice cake butter popcorn flavor. These are my favorite. I used to love these when I was a kid. They used to be like my favorite bedtime snack. And I love popcorn and I love the flavor of popcorn, but I thought this would be nice to have like 1 or 2 of these before I go to bed, or like as a snack during the day. I thought were these sweet to the point mini pointed peppers. So I thought I could cut these up, and I have this really good Greek yogurt that's like jalapeno flavored. It's so delicious, and I thought that this would be really good dipped in, or also hummus or ranch, whatever. The next thing we got was MEDJOOL dates. So these are awesome if you like, you can make almost like a homemade Snickers with them, and they taste so good. You just put a little bit of almond butter and you like drizzle a little bit of chocolate over it. So I thought this would be like a nice little sweet snack. Or you could even like cut them up and put them in a smoothie, and it's like really sweet and really delicious. Next, I got some chocolate chips to add on to the MEDJOOL dates, and then also to put in banana chocolate chip muffins. And then after that, I got some cauliflower. So I'm gonna be making this like roasted cauliflower potato soup, which will be super good. So I can't wait to make that. And this is in no particular order, by the way. And then I got a can of chickpeas. So my plan is to roast these up and put them on salads and in wraps and stuff, like as a good source of protein, and like have that nice crunch. Then we got some coconut sugar refined. So this is like in place of like brown sugar. So I wanted to try this out because coconut sugar is apparently better for you than regular sugar. Oh, here's my receipt. I spent $124 for all this. So next I got my favorite tea. This is the Puka Feel New tea with a clean fusion of aniseed, fennel, and cardamom. So this is recommended by my naturopath, and I have been obsessed with this lately. I find I feel so good whenever I have it. So I normally have it at night. There's no caffeine or anything in it. And it's so good, and it makes my stomach feel amazing. So I got this, and yeah, I use this pretty much every day. And then I got some unsweetened almond milk. I like to put this in my smoothies or in my oats, like overnight oats. Red onion. Got 2 red apples. Got a sweet potato. My plan for this is to cut it up and put this in my salad bowls to make like a roasted veggie salad. I got some raspberries, so I want to put these in my salads and also use them on my overnight oats. Then we have some regular peppers, so we use this in our General Tayo, which is super yummy. Then I got some coconut oil to use in some different recipes. Got some bananas. We use these a lot just to put into smoothies and stuff like that, so we'll wait for them to get ripe and then put them in the freezer. Also for banana chocolate chip muffins. And then we got green onion, cucumber, and this is something new that I've never had before. They're shirataki noodles. So I saw a really cool recipe. So basically it's like a low carb and high fiber like noodle alternative. So I really wanted to try this as I saw someone on think it was Instagram that made this like shirataki like Alfredo, and it looked so good, so I really wanted to try that. Next we got some coconut aminos, which is like a soy sauce alternative, which is a lot less sodium and so much better for you. So we put this in like a lot of our different like Asian inspired meals, and it's so good. And then we got some bagels. These are really good bagels. They're like sourdough bagels, so they're like really low glycemic, I think it's called. And I really like using these for like breakfast sandwiches or to make like just regular sandwiches. They're super good. Next, I got some salted caramel cluster non-dairy frozen dessert, and this is like made with cashew milk. This is so yummy. I've had this before and it's so good. Just like a little spoonful of it, and it's delicious. And then the last thing we got were these golden little potatoes. So I want to roast these up and put these on a salad or something like that. So we got these too. That is everything that we got. So all of that was $124. We didn't get any meat, we didn't get any dairy, but we did get like a few like expensive things. Like the dates were kind of expensive, and the tea was expensive, and the ice cream was expensive, but it's kind of like sometimes you have to pay more for healthier items. But yeah, that's everything we got. So yeah, that is this portion of the video. And next I think I'll just kind of set you up as I do like a little bit of meal prepping.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. We're living.
something with the MEDJOOL dates that I got. So I'm using the plant over processed. I just really enjoy like trying something new. So these are called the caramel chewies. So what you do is you take MEDJOOL dates and you split them open, and then you fill them with almond butter or peanut butter. So I'm using the creamy almond butter from Costco, and then you melt a little bit of chocolate. I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut oil in mine just to make it like super smooth, and then you like drizzle it on top, and then you add some like flaky sea salt. So I just thought this would be a super yummy little treat. So I'm gonna make those for you, and I'll show you what they look like.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I did not film an outro clip, so this is what you get from me today. But if you would like to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below, and I'd love to film those for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.